Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Microsoft Entra Conditional Access Session Management, a deep dive. This tutorial delves into the intricacies of Microsoft Entra Conditional Access Session Management, providing a comprehensive understanding of its capabilities and how to configure it effectively. We'll explore different settings, their impact on user experience and security posture, and illustrate concepts with practical examples. What is Conditional Access Session Management? Conditional Access Session Management allows you to apply granular controls to user sessions after authentication has been successful. It's a powerful tool for enforcing security policies beyond basic access requirements, enabling you to control data leakage, prevent sensitive data from being downloaded to unmanaged devices, enhance security posture, detect and remediate risky user behavior, improve compliance, meet regulatory requirements for data access and usage, tailor user experience, adjust session behavior based on risk levels and device context. Key concepts: conditional access policy, a rule that defines access requirements based on conditions, example user location, device platform, application being accessed, and grants or denies access. Session controls are added to conditional access policies. Session controls, settings within a conditional access policy that dictate how the user session behaves after authentication. Microsoft Cloud App Security, MCAS, Defender for Cloud Apps. MCAS is deeply integrated with conditional access session management. It allows for real-time session monitoring and control, enabling actions like blocking downloads, protecting uploaded data, and limiting access to sensitive applications. Continuous Access Evaluation, CAE, a feature that continuously monitors user activity and re-evaluates conditional access policies throughout the session. If a user's risk level changes or their device becomes non-compliant, CAE can trigger immediate actions, such as revoking access. Microsoft Tunnel, a VPN solution tightly integrated with Microsoft Endpoint Manager, Intune, for managing access to on-premises resources. Session controls can be configured to work with Tunnel. Session management options in Conditional Access. Conditional Access offers the following session management options. 1. Use app-enforced restrictions. Relies on the application to enforce session controls. This is typically used for applications that natively support conditional access controls. 2. Use Conditional Access App Control. Redirects the session to Microsoft Cloud App Security, MCAS, for real-time monitoring and control. 3. Persistent browser session. Configures how long a browser session remains active. 4. Sign-in frequency. Determines how often users are prompted to re-authenticate. 5. Customize continuous access evaluation. Preview. Configure continuous access evaluation settings like session inactivity, timeout, and enforcement modes. Detailed breakdown of each option. 1. Use app-enforced restrictions. How it works. When you select Use app-enforced restrictions, conditional access relies on the target application to interpret and enforce the policy. The application must be capable of understanding conditional access signals and implementing the appropriate controls. Think of this as delegating session management to the app itself. Use cases. Commonly used with modern authentication-enabled applications, example Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, Teams. Applications where you've integrated a Microsoft Authentication Library, MSAL, or similar to natively handle conditional access. Configuration. Simple to configure in conditional access. Just select the option. The complexity lies in ensuring the application is properly configured to interpret and enforce the policy. Asterisk considerations asterisk. Asterisk requires application support. Not all apps are compatible. Asterisk limited control compared to MCAS-based session controls. Asterisk relies heavily on the application's security implementation. 2. Use conditional access app control, MCAS integration. Asterisk how it works asterisk this option redirects the user's session to Microsoft Cloud App Security, MCAS. MCAS acts as a reverse proxy, sitting between the user and the application. It intercepts and analyzes all traffic, allowing you to apply real-time session controls based on your configured policies. It allows for much finer-grained control and visibility than the app-enforced method. Asterisk use cases asterisk ideal for. Asterisk protecting sensitive data within cloud applications. Asterisk preventing data exfiltration. Asterisk monitoring user activity and identifying risky behavior. Asterisk enforcing data governance policies. Asterisk configuration asterisk. Asterisk prerequisites asterisk requires a Microsoft Cloud App Security license. You must have MCAS deployed and connected to your Microsoft Entra tenant. Asterisk create a conditional access policy asterisk select use conditional access app control as the session control. Asterisk configure MCAS policies asterisk define policies in MCAS to control session behavior, example block downloads, protect uploads, block clipboard operations. Asterisk MCAS session control options asterisk within MCAS, you'll find various session controls, including asterisk monitor only asterisk logs user activity without blocking or modifying the session. Useful for gaining insights into user behavior. Asterisk block downloads asterisk prevents users from downloading sensitive files to unmanaged devices. Asterisk block custom activities asterisk blocks specific activities or resources within the application. Asterisk protect, with Azure Information Protection protects uploaded files by applying Azure Information Protection labels and encryption. Asterisk control file upload on block asterisk blocks files based on certain criteria, like the presence of sensitive information. Asterisk control file download on block asterisk blocks downloads based on certain criteria, like the presence of sensitive information. Asterisk block malicious files asterisk blocks downloads of potentially malicious files. Asterisk considerations asterisk. Asterisk requires an MCAS license. Asterisk can introduce latency due to the reverse proxy architecture. Latency is usually minimal but should be considered. Asterisk configuration complexity is higher than app enforced. Asterisk not compatible with all applications. MCAS supports a wide range of popular cloud applications. 3. Persistent browser session asterisk asterisk. Asterisk how it works asterisk the setting controls how long a user's browser session remains active after they close and reopen their browser. It determines whether they'll be prompted to re-authenticate or if their session will be automatically restored. Asterisk options asterisk. Asterisk always asterisk the session persists even after the browser is closed and reopened. This provides a seamless user experience but can be a security risk if the device is compromised. Asterisk never asterisk the session is cleared when the browser is closed, requiring the user to re-authenticate every time they access the application. This is the most secure option but can be inconvenient for users. Asterisk custom days allows you to specify the number of days the session should persist. This offers a balance between security and user experience. Asterisk use cases asterisk. Asterisk balance user convenience and security. Asterisk control session persistence for sensitive applications. Asterisk meet compliance requirements for session timeout. Asterisk configuration asterisk simple to configure within conditional access. Choose the desired option. Asterisk considerations asterisk. Asterisk the always option should be used with caution, especially on unmanaged devices. Asterisk consider the sensitivity of the application and the risk profile of the users when choosing a session persistence setting. Asterisk persistent sessions don't bypass sign-in frequency policies. If a sign-in frequency policy is in place, the user will still be prompted to re-authenticate according to that policy, even if the persistent session is active. 4. Sign-in frequency asterisk asterisk. Asterisk how it works asterisk the setting determines how often users are prompted to re-authenticate, regardless of other session persistence settings. It forces re-authentication at specified intervals. Asterisk options asterisk. Asterisk every time asterisk the user is prompted to re-authenticate every time they access the application. High security, low convenience. Asterisk X hours/days asterisk you can specify a specific interval, example every 8 hours, every 30 days, after which the user must re-authenticate. Balances security and user convenience. Asterisk use cases asterisk. Asterisk enforce regular re-authentication for sensitive applications. Asterisk reduce the risk of compromised credentials being used for extended periods. Asterisk meet compliance requirements for re-authentication frequency. Asterisk configuration asterisk straightforward to configure within conditional access. Asterisk considerations asterisk. Asterisk frequent re-authentication can be disruptive to users. Asterisk choose an interval that balances security and user experience. Asterisk sign-in frequency can work in conjunction with other conditional access controls, such as multi-factor authentication, MFA. Asterisk sign-in frequency applies to the first-party clients and browsers and may not apply to third-party clients until they refresh. 5. Customize continuous access evaluation, CAE. Asterisk how it works asterisk this feature continuously monitors user activity and re-evaluates conditional access policies throughout the session. If a user's risk level changes, example due to a compromised device or suspicious behavior, or their device becomes non-compliant, CAE can trigger immediate actions, such as revoking access. CAE enables a more dynamic and responsive security posture. Asterisk key settings, preview. Asterisk enforcement mode asterisk defines how CAE should be enforced. Asterisk enforce granted access asterisk users can immediately access resources, while CAE is evaluated in the background. If CAE detects a risk, it will disrupt the session at that point. Asterisk require evaluated access asterisk users are blocked until CAE evaluation is complete. More secure, but can slightly increase initial access latency. Asterisk session inactivity timeout, preview automatically terminate inactive user sessions after a specified period. Helps to prevent unattended sessions from being exploited. Asterisk use cases asterisk. Asterisk improves security posture by dynamically responding to changes in user risk and device compliance. Asterisk reduce the attack surface by terminating inactive sessions. Asterisk mitigate the impact of compromised credentials. Asterisk configuration asterisk. Asterisk enable CAE in your Microsoft Entra tenant, if it's not already enabled. Asterisk configure the CAE settings within your conditional access policies. Asterisk considerations asterisk. Asterisk currently in preview. Asterisk requires careful planning and testing to ensure minimal disruption to users. Asterisk relies on integration with other Microsoft security services, such as Microsoft Defender for Endpoint and Microsoft Entra ID protection. Code example, PowerShell. While you can't directly code session management settings like you would with a regular script, you can use PowerShell to manage and configure conditional access policies, which include session management options. Here's an example of how to create a conditional access policy with a session control using PowerShell. Explanation of the code asterisk. 1. Connect Graph asterisk connects to the Microsoft Graph API using the necessary scope for managing conditional access policies. 2. Variables asterisk defines variables for the policy name, description, users/groups, applications, conditions, grant controls, and session controls. 3. Conditions asterisk this section is critical for defining when the policy should be applied. In this example, the policy is applied to browser-based access, but only if it's not an AAD joined device. You can customize these conditions based on your specific requirements. 4. Session controls asterisk the $session controls variable defines the session control settings. Here, we're setting Cloud App Security type equals use MCAS, which means the session will be redirected to Microsoft Cloud App Security. 5. Identity conditional access policy asterisk creates the conditional access policy using the Identity conditional access policy template and the defined variables. The body parameter argument passes the policy configuration to the template. Important notes asterisk. Asterisk adjust the PowerShell code asterisk you'll need to modify the PowerShell code to match your specific environment and policy requirements. Change the user/group assignments, applications, conditions, and session controls as needed. Asterisk error handling asterisk add error handling to your PowerShell script to catch any errors during policy creation. Asterisk testing asterisk thoroughly test your conditional access policies in a test environment before deploying them to production. Use the report-only mode to monitor the impact of the policy without enforcing it. Asterisk documentation asterisk keep your conditional access policies well documented so that others can understand their purpose and configuration. Practical examples of session management scenarios asterisk. 1. Preventing data download on unmanaged devices asterisk. Asterisk scenario asterisk you want to prevent users from downloading sensitive documents to their personal laptops or mobile devices. Asterisk configuration asterisk. Asterisk create a conditional access policy that applies to specific applications, example SharePoint Online, Exchange Online. Asterisk set the condition to target unmanaged devices, devices not compliant with Intune. This may require creating a device compliance policy in Intune. Asterisk select use conditional access app control as the session control. Asterisk in MCAS, create a session policy that blocks downloads for the targeted applications. 2. Protecting uploaded data with Azure Information Protection asterisk. Asterisk scenario asterisk you want to ensure that any files uploaded to SharePoint Online are automatically protected with Azure Information Protection labels. Asterisk configuration asterisk. Asterisk create a conditional access policy that applies to SharePoint Online. Asterisk select use conditional access app control as the session control. Asterisk in MCAS, create a session policy that uses the protect, with Azure Information Protection, control. You'll need to specify the IP label to apply. 3. Enforcing re-authentication for high-risk users asterisk. Asterisk scenario asterisk you want to require users with a high sign-in risk level to re-authenticate every time they access sensitive applications. Asterisk configuration asterisk. Asterisk create a conditional access policy that applies to sensitive applications. Asterisk set the condition to target users with a high sign-in risk level. Asterisk set the sign-in frequency to every time. Consider adding multi-factor authentication as a grant control. For terminating inactive sessions scenario you want to automatically terminate sessions that have been inactive for a certain period. Configuration enable the customize continuous access evaluation preview option. Set the session inactivity timeout preview to a desired duration, example 1 hour. Select the appropriate enforcement mode based on your risk tolerance. Troubleshooting tips use the Conditional Access Insights and Reporting Workbook This workbook provides valuable insights into how your conditional access policies are being applied. Review the Microsoft Entra sign-in logs. The sign-in logs contain detailed information about each sign-in attempt, including which conditional access policies were applied and why. Check the MCAS activity logs. The MCAS activity logs provide information about user activity within applications that are being monitored by MCAS. Test in report-only mode. Before enabling a policy in your production environment, test the policy in report-only mode to gauge impact. Conclusion. Conditional access session management is a powerful tool for enhancing the security of your Microsoft Entra environment and protecting sensitive data. By understanding the various session management options and how to configure them effectively, you can create a tailored security posture that meets your specific needs and improves the user experience. Remember to carefully plan, test, and document your conditional access policies to ensure they are effective and maintainable.